How to add picture in website 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Wix and how you're going to be adding a picture in Wix website in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your website editor as we are over here. And what you're going to do over here is you're going to click on add elements. Now, once we click on add elements, you're going to go over to image. And once you go to image, here you have different options for the uploading. You can upload your very own image, import images from social or Google accounts, have AI create the image, or choose the Wix free images. So let's say I want to upload my own image, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click on this over here. Now, once you click on upload image, it's going to ask you to upload media from your computer. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and find some random media like this one over here. Now, once this gets uploaded into my Wix Media dashboard, simply click on Add to Page. And once you click on Add to Page, as you can see, here it is. So now what you can do is you can place it in any place of your page, and there we are. So that is how you're going to be adding a picture in Wix website. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.